Hello everybody, welcome to Kimono Lab Yukiko. Today I'll be making Osekihan. This was one of the dishes I included in my video, BENTO for Children'S Day. I've linked the video below in case you'd like to take a look. Then 2 cups of water. And we're gonna soak it for a day. This is the red beans soaked for a day. Now this is white rice, hakumai. It's 180 cc. Now this is mochi gome. It's a sticky rice. It's a 720 cc. You need salt and black sesame seed to sprinkle over it. First we wash rice. After washing the rice, let it rest for about 30 minutes. Put the bean into pot and bring it to boil. This white bubble thing is called aku. We want to scoop it out as much as we can. We take aku out so that it doesn't affect the taste and also the color. Once the water became boil, bring it to low heat and simmer and cook for about 20 minutes. Now we only want the soup from the cooked beans. Now I am adding some water to add up to 900 milliliters of water. Now put all the beans into the rice cooker. Close the lid and start. So this is called ohitsu or sushi oke. It's a wooden bowl for sushi rice. This is not sushi rice, but I use it for mixed rice as the rice stays fresh.
So this is my mother's recipe, Osekihan. Pretty color. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.